What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. I'm going ahead and doing this intro the day before, but y'all see the concrete slab, man. It's on the way. It's on the way. I'm doing it the day before because I know I'm gonna have to get up early in the morning, move all the car, and then I'm probably gonna be thinking about no intro. So man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm super excited. I can't wait. Foundation about to get done for the shop. Let's get it. We're checking in. So I got up this morning, man, moved everything. Y'all see old train smoke had to go right here, man. I gotta get that shifter cable put on. Something going on under there. I'm gonna have to get on the other day and put my eyes on it. But anyway, that ain't no idea. Got the bucket coming in. See it, we're getting it done. Yes sir, man. Finally finna get that slab put down. I can't wait. Can't wait, man. But it early. Me and wife finna go ahead and get this we're finna go ahead and get this workout done. So she get back, I'm gonna take the kid, and then we're gonna keep y'all updated on how they coming. So y'all stay. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see, they're getting it knocked out. They're riding on in here, man. Side at a time. Working it on out. Working it on out. Sure, man. Yes, indeed, man. Get it done. All right, y'all. We checking in. Y'all see, man. We rolling with it. Getting it on in. I think get the second truck. Something. It been a load, man. Been a load of truck, boy. With it being 6 inches thick, man, it been one full truck. I think it's been 2 or something, whatever. But they rolling with it, man. They rolling with it. And it all worked out. I'll throw some more in there because they cover thick. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm catching the time lapse for y'all right now. So y'all just stay tuned, man. We're gonna watch them get it wrapped up. Checking in, man. I've been out there chilling on the back porch, man, handling some business and stuff. They working it, man. They working it. They're getting it all worked out. I said, man, looking good too. Boy, looking good. Yes, indeed. Boy, y'all don't know. Well, listen, y'all don't know how I'm feeling, man. Y'all have no idea. Man, it feels so good. I've been putting this on the back burner for 2 years. 2 years, man, it's finally out here. I done stood at that kitchen window so many times every morning before me and wife work out. And I just look out here, I'm like, man, it's gonna be a slab out here soon. And just, my 3 big goals this year, man, was one, to read the entire Bible all the way through, which I'm on target to hit that, man. I'm over halfway through the Bible from front to back. And for 2, to buy my wife at least one of her dream cars, which y'all know we did that. I did that back in February. We made that happen. And then 3 was to at least get my shop up this year. Stop putting it on the back burner, man. I told y'all when I do it, I'm gonna do it. We got the slab out here. I told wife, I said, I gotta put a slab out here. So I put a slab out here. I won't just keep putting it on the back burner. That's just how it works. Sometimes I gotta do one thing, and then I'm not gonna look at it every day. I'm not gonna look at it every day and just be like, I'm gonna get it. Like I don't work like that. So I got the slab out here, man. So now I'm gonna really say, we know the shot coming. Shot coming for sure, man. But it's just surreal. It's surreal, man. It's gonna be, by this time next week, it's gonna be some car parked out there, man. It's just crazy to me. That's just crazy to me, man. But can't wait, man. And I'm gonna get the concrete grinded after it completely cured and everything. We're gonna get it grinded so it's smooth and everything, man. Look good and all that. So, man, I can't wait, man. So they working it. When they get finished, man, we're gonna turn y'all back on. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see they got it all poured, man. Looking good. Smoothing it out, man. They working it, getting it smoothed out, man. Well, it's a good day, man. Good day, man. Got it all working. Y'all stay tuned, man. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So it's the next day. I wanted to wait until you know, we had this thing got dried up so y'all can see it right quick. I'm gonna stand right here. Well, it ain't completely dry, but man, it's the end result. Y'all know, man, this thing's smooth. I know it's different colors and stuff, but man, it's so smooth. They gotta come in and they gonna come in and put the joints in it, the expansion joints in it too, cause I want to pay extra for that, man. I want the expansion joints, but you know, it's here, man. I'm gonna get right over here. I'm gonna go back this way, but I want to check in with y'all, man. Y'all see it. Next day, I figured, I like, it got dark, so I said this is actually stretched out into 3 days, cause y'all know I did the intro another day. I did the intro another day, cause I knew, and just like I said, the day of, when I got y'all the footage didn't work, man, I had to get up so early to move the car. Man, I ain't do no intro. I know myself. So this is the day after. Man, they did a good job, man. My cousin David, one of my cousin, the one who I went through, he been doing concrete for years. He just, you know, he do everything. He been doing stuff for years, man. Concrete flooring, that's his business. That's what he do. My cousin David, Sammy, shout out to Sammy, which is his cousin. You know, of course, something of this caliber takes more than one man to do. And I just want to shout out everybody, man, cause they got it done, and it's smooth. It's smooth out there. Cause I said, man, I want it smooth. You grind the concrete? He said, I'm finna grind it for you now. And man, when they got finished, they stayed out here probably 3 hours or something. Seriously, I can't remember. Your wife was here, I can tell, I had wife, but cause we sit on the back porch and still chill for a minute, but they probably grinded it for, if not 3 hours, it was 2 hours for sure. 2 hours. They grinded the concrete 2 hours, man. And it's smooth out there. And you know, it got to be blown off and all that stuff. Dust settle, concrete dust everywhere. It was concrete dust everywhere, but I ain't finna go out there on it and stuff. But you know, if you taking it, blow it off, man, it'll be all uniform and stuff. Cause some of this stuff is dust that settled on there. Cause boy, it was rough. But man, I'm happy, man. I can't describe how I'm feeling, cause it's been a long time coming, man. It's been a long time coming. Y'all know I've been waiting to get this slab, man. I told you, I wake up in the morning and then I look out that window Cause we get ready to work out, and I be like, I tell your wife, I be like, man, it's gonna be a slab out there one day. Gonna be a slab out there one day, man. Today, the slab is out there, like, it's just crazy. I woke up this morning and looked out there, and then she was like, it's out there, it's finally out there. And I said, yeah. Then I went out there, man. I went out here, and I just stood. I just stood and looked at it, man. I zoned out, and I visualized the cars already in there, and kind of started planning how I'm set everything up and all of that, man. It's just a good feeling. It's a great feeling, man. And I know, I've been telling people, been saying, man, you go bigger than what you planned. I actually did, man. My original plan was doing a 25 by 40. That's what I had in my notes, and that's what I had been shopping around for, a 25 by 40. But I ended up doing 30, man. So I'm glad I did. And I'm excited because when I get the shop up, then I can finish up our gym, man. Like, we can get it finished. Cause everything will be out the garage, man. All my tools and literally everything will be out the garage. And like, I was telling wife, I said, man, I don't have to worry about down stacking these tires and stuff. I can set my tires up by set, like these meat slicks, these dolo slicks. I have enough room where I ain't got to be pulling them out the top still. These meat street tires, these dolo, So, man, it's just, hey, to God be the glory. Seriously, man, to God be the glory, man. I mean, wouldn't be well met without him. Without him and without my feet, me moving my feet and doing work myself and staying humble and just, staying good to people, man, all this stuff wouldn't be happening. It just point blank period, man. Blessings stretch beyond materialistic things, man, materialistic possessions, man. People got to remember that. But I'm happy, man. I can't, boy. I'm still taking it in, man. I go out there and look at it. I'm like, man, I'm still taking it in, man. Then, like, they're going to come put the expansion joints in. Cause it just never been 24 hours. They're going to come put expansion joints in and cut them in, man. I can't wait, man. Now, the hard part done, man. This the hard part. The building is easy. They're just paying for the building and then boom. Which, like I said, I got some ETAs on companies on who can deliver the fastest, but they what I'm waiting on, man. Who gonna deliver the fastest? Then I'm finna go through the inspection, get the inspection. That'll be a breeze. Like the inspection for the I'm gonna get the permit. Get the building permitted. But the inspection went smooth, man. It was great. Man, everything good. It's up thick like I wanted, 6 inches thick, man. Rebar, moisture barrier, 3,000 PSI concrete with fiber in it. 3,000 PSI with fiber. Some good concrete, smooth. And I don't know, man. I gotta see. I know somebody that do epoxy. I don't know if I want to do it yet. I'm going a little too ahead of myself, but we're gonna cross that bridge when we get there. I'm gonna get the structure up. Then I already got an electrician. Above board, shout out to Above Board Electrical, man. My guy Andrew, he did a lot of stuff at the house too. Great company. But he already came by. We talked, man. We come up with a plan for the electrical, and we're gonna have to go through the permits for all of that and all that good stuff. And it's just downhill, man. It's downhill from here on out. So the goal this year was to get the slab and then get the building up. The electrical, I don't know if I'm gonna have the electrical done this year. I don't know. If not this year, it'll be at the top of next year, man. I had the electrical done. So I'm just happy, man. Step at a time. I'm truly happy, like step at a time, man. Just even now, man, I can push the cars up. Like starting next week, y'all probably gonna see the fleet sitting on the pad. Cause some of the fleet sitting on the pad, cause that's where it's gonna be anyway. Yeah, man, at least 4 of them. Just to open up this area right here, man. But I'm probably gonna put those 4 up, and then you got 1, 2, 3. It'll push these 3 up, man, on the driveway, and then I can stop parking the truck on the grass, and it just, man, that alone opened up a world of possibilities, man. Like it just, whoo, but I'm following his footsteps, man. I'm following his ways. He leading me, and yeah, man, that's what it is. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.